my favorites. What can I say? So influential on me, these tunes. But basically, what we have is a D chord, and it's like a waltz. It's in three. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and. So we're gonna add our pinky a whole step higher on the G string than where my first finger is. So let's zoom in. I'll start showing you what's going on. Okay, so I've got this D chord, I've got the capo on the 2nd fret, and I've got a D chord. And I go like this. Let's learn the notes of the melody. So it's where that note is right there. This is all over a D chord so far. Pinky a whole step higher, pinky off again, and then that string open. So. Then fourth, what we call the 4th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the capo on the D string. So, and that's all with the concept of the D chord. So if you look at my right hand, you could kind of just strum it, the higher strings. So let me show you what we have so far. We have. So when I get to that, then I go da 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 on on the. Then I'm gonna hit 2nd fret on the D string, and the open G string. See that? Then 4th fret on the D string, and then the D chord. So here, let me do it normal. So just remember, I hit this note, and then the open G string, which is this string, but open. So try not to have your first finger block it. Then this one, 4th on the D string, D chord. One more time. One more time. So then I go to a C chord. So you hit the 3rd fret with your ring finger. You form the C chord, but you're going to just hit this 3rd fret alone. Then the open G string. Then middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. And then that string open back into the A chord. So you have. Here's what we have. Here's what we have. Time. Okay, we need one other part. A D minor now. So 1st fret, 1st finger, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. To G, and this is in 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's in 3. 2, 3. To G. D minor again. Now E minor to A. If you dug it, I'd love for you to come check out the site. It's totally free to sign up for the site, and then you're on my list, and that's how I correspond with my requests. So I would love it if you went over there and signed on up, and then, you know, we can keep in touch that way, and you can check me out on Twitter and all that stuff. But anyway, this bird has flown.